Hey there, I'm the HVAC repair guy, drawing on 17 plus years as an installer, technician, and contractor, along with my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are taking a look at two entry-level air conditioning units, the Ameristar A4AC5 and the Champion TCE2. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, both of these units feature full slotted panel construction. Rather than using open-wire grills, both Ameristar and Champion wrap these condensers in painted steel panels with stamped louvers and slots. This offers solid physical protection for the internal aluminum coil fins against hail, yard debris, and stray lawnmower rocks. When it comes to efficiency and noise performance, the Ameristar A4AC5 gives you a 15.2 SEER rating with an operational sound level of 74 decibels. The Champion TCE2 comes in slightly lower on efficiency at 14.3 SEER, operating at 73 decibels. In real-world terms, that 1 decibel difference in sound is imperceptible to the human ear, but the Ameristar will cost slightly less to run over the course of a cooling season. Looking inside at the compressor and fan technology, both of these units are basic single-stage systems. They turn on at full capacity and run until the thermostat is satisfied. Additionally, neither unit includes a compressor sound blanket from the factory, which explains why both hover in that mid-70s decibel range. As for manufacturing, Ameristar is a budget brand owned and manufactured by Trane Technologies. Champion is manufactured in the USA by Johnson Controls, whose residential equipment division was recently acquired by Bosch Home Comfort. Looking at current equipment and internet pricing, uninstalled equipment prices for the Ameristar A4AC5 condenser range online between $2,100 and $2,800 depending on system tonnage. Online equipment prices for the Champion TCE2 condenser typically span between $1,750 and $2,200 for standard residential sizes. When factoring in complete turnkey contractor installation, local labor and materials, total installed prices generally land between $4,000 and $5,750 for the Ameristar A4AC5. Full contractor installed packages for the Champion TCE2 fall into a similar range of $3,800 to $5,500 depending on local market rates. On the warranty side, both manufacturers offer a standard 10-year warranty on the compressor and a 10-year warranty on functional internal parts provided the unit is properly registered after installation. Where Champion pulls ahead is with unit replacement coverage because the Champion TCE2 includes a 5-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. The Ameristar A4AC5 offers 0 years of unit replacement coverage. My recommendation between these two comes down to long-term risk protection. I picked the Champion TCE2. While the Ameristar A4AC5 gives you a slight edge in efficiency with its 15.2 SEER rating, the Champion TCE2 gives you lower upfront equipment pricing and much better protection on your investment with that 5-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor dies early. That makes the Champion the smarter value for a homeowner looking for peace of mind.